Hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll be guiding you on how to install Envato theme into WordPress. We have the link to Envato in the description for you to get an easy access at the end of this video. So we want to assume that you've already downloaded the Envato theme and you're trying to install it into WordPress. So once you've logged on into the admin area of your WordPress website, you need to go over to the left side panel where you can see Appearance. You want to click on Appearance and then you see some options. Select Theme, and then once you select Theme, you'll see some themes. So what you need to do now is to go to the top of the screen and click on Add New. After clicking on Add New Theme, you have the option still at the top to upload a theme. So you also need to look at the top to look for the Upload Theme button. So once you click on Upload Theme button, you have the chance to navigate to the downloaded file and select it. So once you get to the downloaded theme from Envato on your local drive, you can select it and click on Open. Now, once the upload has been completed, you will be presented with the Install Now option. So go ahead and click on Install Now. And once the installation is complete, you will be presented with a successful message. You can also activate it by selecting Activate on WordPress once it's successfully uploaded to WordPress. Don't forget to check out the link to Envato in the description below. Do let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.